Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to propagate this plant, the Golden Pothos or Epipremnum aureum. If you're already excited to see this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. It is really easy to propagate the Epipremnum aureum. Cut the stem with a pair of pruning scissors between each node. The node is where the leaf is attached to the stem, and on the other side of the leaf an air root starts to grow. Place the cuttings in a jar of water and make sure the node is below the water surface. After a few weeks, roots have grown from the tiny brown humps that were on each node. When you have a cutting that still has small roots, put it back in the jar. The rooted cuttings are ready to be planted in a pot with a soil mixture. I use a mix of coco coir, potting soil and perlite. You can place multiple cuttings in one pot. Thank you for watching this video on how to propagate this plant, the Golden Pothos. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!